Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we are going to study the one of the science special topic which is related to quantity surveying. So our topic is how to calculate quantity of concrete and staircase. Now in order to start to calculate the quantity of concrete and staircase, first of all it is important to know that what is quantity of concrete. So basically the quantity mean the volume of the concrete. Okay. Now the data which is given to us to solving our problem is width of the stair which is 48 inches, okay, and also the story height is given in term of inches which is 120, okay, and then the waist thickness is given in term of inches. In this case the waist thickness is 6 inches, and also the thread thickness are given which is 10 inches, and also the riser thickness are given in term of inches, in this case which is 7.5 inches. Okay, now this all data is sufficient to calculate quantity of concrete in this staircase. So let's get started. Now first of all, to calculate quantity of concrete in this staircase, first of all it is important to calculate the number of total step. So for the total number of step, we have a formula to divide the total height of the story to the thickness of the step riser. Okay, now we put the value of h in term of inches and just divide it by the thread size, so we can get the value of number of step is 16. Okay, so now if the total number of step is 16, then how we can calculate this total length of the staircase? Okay, so we can easily calculate by just taking the thread size and just multiply with the total number of steps. So we can get the total horizontal length 160 inches. Okay, so now it's mean that if we execute this type of stair in our building which thread size is 10 inches and the riser size is 7.5 inches and the height of the story is 120 inches, then we required the total clear span length of 160 inches. Okay, now to find the quantity of concrete in this staircase, we need to find out the total length of the waist. Okay, so now if we use a Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out the total length of the waist. Okay, so the total length of the waist is 200 inches. Okay, so now if we calculate the total quantity of this staircase, we need to calculate the volume or quantity of this landing area of the upper portion and also in the lower portion. If we take the waist length and add the 18 inches and 18 inches of the upper and lower landing, we can get the total length of the waist is 236 inches. Okay, so now if we calculate the quantity of waist portion in this staircase, we just multiply the total width of the stair which is 48 inches and then length of the stair which is 236 inches and multiply with the thickness of the waist. So we can get the total quantity of waist portion in terms of cubic inches. So now if we calculate the total quantity of the concrete in these steps, so first of all we just calculate the quantity of concrete in one step. So if we take this triangle portion, so as we know that the area of the triangle is 1/2 b cross h, and just multiply this area with the width of the step, so we can get the quantity of one step. So putting all the value in this formula, so we can get the quantity of one step is 800 cubic inches. So now this is the quantity of one step. Now the total number of step in our stair is 16. So now if we find the total quantity of 16 steps, we just multiply the quantity of one step with 16. So we can get the value of the 16 step as 28800 cubic inches. So this is the quantity of concrete in 16 steps. Okay, so now if we find the total quantity of concrete in this staircase, we just take the total quantity and waste portion and total quantity of concrete in the steps portion, so we can get the value in term of cubic inches. So now if we convert this term into cubic feet, as we know that 1 feet equal to 12 inches. So now we divide this term with the 12 cube. So we can get the total quantity of concrete is 672 cubic feet. Okay. So this is our today topic. I hope you will be learn something new from this lecture. If you have any question related to this topic, please comment on my channel. I will try to reply your answer. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.